Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to unsubscribe from Course Hero. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Course Hero, you can use our link in the description below and you may get discount or rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are two ways to cancel your Curse Hero subscription. First is by canceling it on yourself on the Curse Hero website. So first go to their website and log in your account. And after logging in your account, make sure that you have a subscription ready. And right here on the top right corner, you can find your profile. So just click this icon, your profile icon on the top right corner. And if you click it, and if you have a Curse Hero subscription, a bunch of options will be added right here, and that will include stop recurring subscription. So you can now stop your recurring subscription. It will not actually cancel your present or your live subscription, but it will cancel your subscription for the next billings or for the next month. So if you find that option, just click it and you will be redirected to another page, and you just need to follow all the instruction to continue your cancellation of subscription. And yeah, that's it. So actually, if you're using Curse Hero on your mobile phone and you download the Curse Hero on Play Store, you can easily or cancel your subscription by going on the Play Store, and right there on the payments and subscription, just cancel your subscription there. And yeah, that's it. So the other way to do it, and this is the, if you don't have any options left, you can always count on the customer service. So you can just go to the Curse Hero customer service and ask them for help to cancel your Curse Hero subscription. And in order to find the contact information or the customer service information of Curse Hero, you just need to scroll down on the Curse Hero website until you find customer support. So this is the customer support page, and you just need to input all of this information. You just need to fill all of this one. So on the category, just choose billing, since it talks about the billing, and of course select an issue and choose cancellation request. And on the description, this describe on why you need to cancel your subscription, and yeah, etc. Whatever you want to say, you can just add it in your description. And on the contact information, of course, you need to input the right information about your account, your first and last name, your registered email, and of course your phone number, etc., etc. And after if you're done all of that, make sure to add also a screenshot about the proof of your subscription. And after you did all of that, just click submit, and your request will be received by the customer service, and they will respond to you for the next days, and they will help you or give you a guidelines how to cancel your subscription. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can cancel your First Hero subscription. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.